Hey guys, David Rishka here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona again, just chilling out by the pool. And in today's short video I want to talk about the one thing. And I just started reading this book called The One Thing by Gary Keller, and the author, he talks about focusing on one thing at a time. So whether you are running your business or in your personal life, you might have multiple things that you need to improve or accomplish or master, and so he highly suggests that you focus on one thing at a time. So for example, if you are doing marketing for your business, don't do multiple kinds of marketing. Start with one. For example, if you do YouTube, master how YouTube works, how to run successful ads, how to run traffic through YouTube to your business. And once you master that and accomplish that, you can go on and do other types of marketing, for example Facebook or Instagram. But start with one thing, master it, and then move on to the next thing. Also, do not start more than one businesses at the same time. Master one business, and once you have it successfully running, then you can go ahead and start second business, and then third one and fourth one, once you accomplished and mastered those previous businesses. This also applies to your personal life. If you have issues with your health, maybe you are overweight, or you have marriage problems, or health problems, determine what is the most important thing right now to improve or master, and focus on that one thing, and focus all of your energy until the thing gets improved, or until you reach desired results. So this is it for today's video. The bottom line of this video and message is focus on one thing at a time. Do not multitask. You do not want to be jack of all trades and master of none. So master one thing at a time, and then move on to the next thing. And with that being said, my friend, I wish you success and freedom. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on the other side, my friend. Enjoy your life, enjoy your day. See you next time.